Today we are working on Excel Expert Lesson 6, the third lesson, removing duplicate rows. So scan through the data on your own to see if you can spot any duplicates. Kind of hard to see. Select any cell in the table, so just click anywhere. On the Data tab, click the Data tab. In the Data Tools group, over here, Data Tools, click Remove Duplicates. In the Remove Duplicates dialog box, click OK. A message box is displayed with the message "No duplicate values are found." That should be enough to confirm there are no duplicate rows in the table, or maybe we did not use the command correctly. So click OK to close the message box. On the Data tab and the Data Tools group, click Remove Duplicates again. This time, only use the columns that really matter. Turn off the check boxes for all other columns. Click the customer number checkbox to turn it off, and then click OK. A message box is displayed with the message 3 duplicate values were found and removed. 22 unique values remain. You see that's what it says. Click OK to close the message box. By comparing the results from the original tables, customers 16, 26, and 27 were found to be duplicates. So mark that as answered, submit, and there you go. This completes removing duplicate rows.